Welcome to Unearthed Elysium, the world's most hidden waterfalls. Prepare to embark on a captivating journey as we reveal some of the most breathtaking natural wonders hiding in the depths of Elysium. Segment 1: Unveiling the Enchantment. In this segment, we dive deep into the uncharted territory of Elysium, filled with awe-inspiring secrets waiting to be discovered. Picture a realm of untouched beauty, a sanctuary boasting hidden waterfalls that only a lucky few have ever beheld. Segment 1.1: Cascade of Wonder. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Elysium, where a hidden cascade of wonder awaits. As we venture through lush jungles, crystal clear streams guide us towards this majestic waterfall. Witness the sheer power as torrents of water plunge from towering heights, creating an unforgettable spectacle. Segment 1.2: Veiled Paradise. Delving further into Elysium's secrets, we uncover a veiled paradise tucked away from prying eyes. Journey with us as we navigate treacherous trails and navigate through dense vegetation. Peer into a hidden abyss, where a mesmerizing waterfall gracefully descends into a secluded pool, evoking a sense of peace and serenity. Segment 2: Nature's Masterpieces. Prepare to be captivated by nature's true masterpieces that await us on our expedition through Elysium. These hidden waterfalls exemplify the power and artistry nature can create, leaving us in awe of their splendor. Segment 2.1: Symphony of Nature. In this segment, we delve into an auditory masterpiece. Behold a waterfall that creates a symphony of sounds as the rushing water harmonizes with the surrounding rocks and foliage. Immerse yourself in this melodic wonder and let nature's symphony soothe your soul. Segment 2.2: Canvas of Color. Our next stop is a hidden treasure adorned with vibrant hues. Witness as sunlight filters through the cascading water, creating a mesmerizing spectrum of colors. The waterfall transforms into a living canvas, showcasing nature's artistic prowess at its finest. Segment 3: Unbridled Tranquility. The final chapter of our journey takes us to untouched paradises, where tranquility reigns supreme. These hidden waterfalls offer an escape from the chaos of everyday life, allowing us to reconnect with ourselves and nature. Segment 3.1: Secrets of Solitude. Explore a secret sanctuary of solitude, where time seems to stand still. As we venture through moss-covered paths, we stumble upon a hidden waterfall nestled amidst towering cliffs. Close your eyes, breathe in the tranquility, and let the aura of this place wash over you. Segment 3.2: Gateway to Serenity. Concluding our journey, we present the ultimate escape, a gateway to serenity. Discover a cascading waterfall that serves as a portal to a world untouched by time. Lose yourself in the balm of the mist, allowing this hidden wonder to transport you to a realm of utter peace. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure through Unearthed Elysium, the world's most hidden waterfalls. Uncover the enchanting beauty of these untouched paradises and let the splendor of nature's hidden gems leave you in awe. Stay tuned for more exhilarating journeys into nature's secrets.